Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 11th February 2023. Today's my Viva topic is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java, the powerful mechanism handle the runtime error that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So, what is the exception in Java? Exception is a dictionary meaning exception is the abnormal condition. Exception is the event that describes the normal flow of the program is the object in the throne of the runtime. So, exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as the class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, or remote exception. So next is the advantages of exception handling. The core advantages of exception handling: maintain the normal flow of the applications in the application in the programs. So an exception normally describes the normal application that the way of the need to the handle exceptions. So example of the they are also IO statement Java in programming exception occurs statements, then the code will not execute. Statement 6 to 10 will be not execute. The 6 to 10 will be not execute when the we perform the exception handling. The rest of the statement will be the execute in this exception handling example. So next is the hierarchy of Java exception classes. Throwable class is the root of the class is the Java hierarchy inherit by to the subclass in exception and error. So type of exception handling, there are mainly two types of exception handling. First is the check exception, next is the uncheck exception, or third is the error exception. So check exception is the classes that directly inherit the throwable class class expert runtime exception and they are known as the check exception. Next is the uncheck exception. Uncheck exception is the class that they inherit the runtime exception, also known as the uncheck exception or check exception. Difference between the class type that directly inherit the throwable class runtime exception or uncheck exception is the class that inherit the runtime exception known as the uncheck exception. So next is the error. Error is the irrecoverable because example of the electricity gone, memory full. This is the errors exceptions in this the exception handling in Java. It's all about exception handling in a Java, or this is the main powerful mechanism of the Java in this exception handling. So thank you.